Marjorie Taff. I am a registered respiratory therapist and the product specialist for Southmedic Inc. Today, I'm presenting Southmedic's OxyMask End-Tidal CO2 device series. The OxyMask End-Tidal CO2 devices are unique in that the technology provides exceptional CO2 tracings or rate train monitoring from an open mask system while delivering a remarkable oxygen range from 24 to 65%, using the widest flow rate range from 1 to 15 liters per minute. This FiO2 and flow rate capability is unprecedented through one device, since all other end-tidal CO2 or rate trend monitoring devices are limited by their blow-by technology. Nasal cannulas have flow limitations from 1 to 6 liters per minute, which also limits the FiO2 capabilities to less than 50%. The end-tidal CO2 tracings obtained while using nasal cannulas on patients that are compulsive mouth breathers are often suspect. Traditional end-tidal CO2 masks are closed devices. Flow rates below 4 to 5 liters per minute cannot be used due to the risk of CO2 retention and rebreathing. Therefore, higher flows must be used regardless of the oxygen requirements to maintain saturation. These same devices, however, cannot be used above 8 liters per minute due to the increased probability of CO2 dilution resulting in poor tracings. Limiting the flow also limits the ability to administer higher oxygen concentrations when necessary. Closed mask designs offer the obvious restrictions: difficult communication, poor access to the mouth and nose for suctioning and oral care, claustrophobia, discomfort with an NG tube, limited to no access for nasal and oral bronchoscopy. In comparison, the OxyMask End-Tidal CO2 devices can utilize flow rates as low as 1 liter per minute without CO2 retention due to its open mask design. It can deliver flow rates as high as 15 liters per minute without CO2 dilution. This is achieved by the position of the sampling cup, which is located directly in front of the mouth and the nose, and the flow dynamics not interfering with CO2 sampling. The sample cup's position and the flow dynamics within the device is the reason why the Oxy End-Tidal CO2 devices are ideal for mouth and nasal breathers. Using the open mask system concept, the OxyMask End-Tidal CO2 enables clear communication between the patient and the clinician, easy access to the mouth and nose for suctioning and oral care. It greatly reduces claustrophobia, provides easy access for nasal and oral bronchoscopy, and it facilitates the simple passage of a nasal gastric tube. Let us look at the technology behind these open mask systems that enable them to deliver such a wide range of therapy. Southmedic Oxy products use a unique diffuser and pin assembly technology in all its Oxy devices. The diffuser is a triangle-shaped cup found in the middle of the mask that is engineered to direct gas flow toward the mouth and nose. Inside each diffuser is either a mushroom-shaped pin, as shown in the OxyMask O2 series, or a cup-shaped pin, as in the End-Tidal CO2 series. With respect to the End-Tidal CO2 series only, the cup-shaped pin is linked to a CO2 lure lock sample line. This line can be attached to the sample line of a side stream End-Tidal CO2 monitor to obtain tracings. The outside of the cup-shaped pin is designed to create vortices, much like mini tornadoes of oxygen molecules. Since this is a dynamic process, as fresh gas enters the mask, more and more vortices with accumulated oxygen occur, creating an atmosphere of negative pressure, oxygen-rich velocity vortices. These oxygen-rich velocity vortices are then directed toward the mouth and nose by the precision angling of the diffuser. It is this accumulation of oxygen molecules within the velocity vortices in concert with a patient's inspiratory effort that enables the delivery of the highest possible concentration of oxygen breath to breath at low flow rates. It should be noted that on exhalation, there is minimal oxygen molecules found directly in front of the cup-shaped pin, allowing for negligible oxygen interference or carbon dioxide dilution. I would now like to show you the Oxy ETCO2 family of products. Here is the OxyMask ETCO2. This mask fits the average size face. Note the sample line. The Oxy Plus is approximately 25% larger in the jaw area, designed to fit the face with a larger, more square jawline, the face with a prominent nose, or a man with a beard. Our Oxy Kid with a 3D penguin design is very popular with the kids. The Oxy Arm is ideal for delivering oxygen while giving the clinician the ability to monitor carbon dioxide in trauma centers and burn units. The Oxy Chin is similar to the Oxy Arm, but attaches to the chin area. It is ideal for neuro, eye, and ear surgery. To complete a short online test and for further information about our OxyMask ETCO2 device series and the full line of innovative oxygen products manufactured by Southmedic Incorporated, please visit the website at southmedic.com or call 1-705-726-9383 and our customer service staff will be more than happy to assist you.